Hello and namaste. I am Harshila and I welcome you to my channel. Today on my channel I have a very special guest, and that guest is gonna help me pick my TBR. So I am like freaking out over here, but yeah, because I have to smile, I am smiling. So drum rolls please for Ira Thakur. Like such lazy ass she is. Like she has not picked her ass from that chair. She has been like dragging that one chair throughout the living room, and it is so hilarious for her. Okay, so she is Ira. How old are you?
I am 9 years old,
And which grade are you in?
in fourth grade.
And what kind of books, because this is a book channel, so we have to talk about books. What kind of books do you like reading?
I like fantasy books
थोड़ा सा सिर इधर चटनी का क्लियर है, आँख इधर रख तू.
and comedy books and fantasy books.
Okay, so she likes like humor and fantasy. And give me your top three.
Katie,
Okay, I knew that.
How I taught my grandmother to
I
read.
knew that. And that temple wala. na?
Yes.
I don't remember the name. What?
the
Lost the magic of
Lost Temple.
the magic of Lost Temple. So like she is a huge Sudha Murthy fan, and there was this one seminar kind of or online interview something by Tweak India with Sudha Murthy, and she was like attending it, and then she made like, if you have read her books, there is this series she has about her dogs, and it is called the Gopi Diaries, right? Like there are like 3 books in that series, and she made Gopi, and she was like showing on Zoom कि ये देखो मैंने गोपी बनाया. Yeah, but that being aside, she's gonna pick my TBR for the month of July. I am like just freaking out. Okay, I had like major goals for July, but here we are. Don't mess up my TBR, Ira. Warning you. खाना पीना खेलना सब कुछ मैं करने वाली हूँ डिसाइड, समझी? हाँ, so now that I've given her a warning and all of that, let's like let her like choose my TBR, and then we'll like come back and talk. Okay, you can go and like pick up the TBR. Okay. अबे यार उठना. Wait. Let me like zoom out so that she can like have the liberty. थोड़ा कष्ट कर ईरा, कष्ट कर. सबर का फल मीठा होता है, वैसे मेहनत का फल भी मीठा होता है. Let me sit down. हाँ. Yeah, you can, you may. What one?
This one, Heart Tantrums.
By?
Aisha Sarwari.
Okay, Heart Tantrums by Aisha Sarwari. Second?
Babel.
Okay, by?
Pong.
Okay, Babel.
Perfume. Patrick. Suskind.
Okay, the moment the book like came in, she was like, read this. If we ever make like this video where like she used to pick my TBR, she was gonna pick that one that was I was sure about. Okay, 3 done. Wait, I am not sure if it is visible. It is.
Northanger Abbey.
Okay, Northanger Abbey by Jane Austen. Like this is like messing up with my TBR so freaking much, Ira.
Cersei.
Huh?
Cersei.
Okay, Cersei by Madeline Miller. Yeah, that was on my TBR for so long. Wait, हाँ, मेरे को बैठने दे. हाँ, कंटिन्यू. कितना हुआ? रुक. परफ्यूम 1 काउंट.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Okay. Do you want to choose one more?
Yes.
Like I am like giving her liberties. पढ़ूंगी नहीं पढ़ूंगी, I don't know. Hey, pick from this side. That side like almost I have read.
No.
Please.
This.
अरे वो तो तूने चूज किया ना ऑलरेडी. दैट. Hey. मैं ही उल्लू हूँ बस. मैं ही मैंने ही अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारी है. दिस नहीं, लोगों को बताओ बुक का नाम क्या है.
lessons in chemistry. Boni.
Boni Garmus.
Boni Karmas.
ठीक है, like I had like massive plans. So she has not picked that bad, okay? Like I had, ओए क्या किया? तोड़ा बिड़ा नहीं ना? हाँ. So I had like big plans, okay? I wanted to like read mystery thriller, crime mystery thriller, and like dark academia. That was the theme for the month of July. And Ira has picked how many? Like from my theme, 1. चुप ना. 1, 2. शी 2 ही पिक किया. अच्छा ठीक है. परफ्यूम इज ऑल्सो थ्रिलर.
Beach read.
It is a romance. Like that is one book that shouldn't have been on this TBR at all. But since like we are like carrying forward last month's TBR, and there are like very few books that I have like been like I need to read. Like some of them were left. I think that this is like good enough. Okay, this TBR is good. कितना मिनट? अच्छा 4 ही मिनट हुआ है. नहीं लेकिन पहले भी okay fine. I'm like little confused because I paused and then I started again. So yeah, we have our 7 books now. Ira will do the mehnat of like picking one book and like keeping it on the table. I'm like sitting here like a maharani. I'm a queen, right?
Yes.
प्यार से बहन. ईरा धीरे धीरे. ईरा वो वायर ऊपर आ रहा है. बे लड़की रुक रुक रुक. ईरा यार. Will you be able to? Should I help you? Wait, I'll help you. Wait. सर रुक जाओ थोड़ा सा. एक ऊपर वाला नहीं निकाल सकती थी सबसे. चल निकाल. यार तूने पूरी लाइटिंग खराब कर दी. Okay, so Ira has like picked out the books, but wait, this is like giving me OCD, major OCD. Fine. No, wait. You know, I really wanted her to pick this one. Like I so badly wanted to read A Good Girl's Guide to Murder, and I have a hardcover. Okay, no, it is a collector's edition, and I was like looking for so badly. I have like the paperbacks. The second one is called Good Girl, Bad Girl, Bad Blood, I think, and the third one is called As Good as Dead. And like the collector's edition of both the books, like the second one, Good Girl, Bad Blood, was like so freaking cute. Like there were these earphones on these like sprayed edges, and it looks so cute, but it is sadly not available in India. And the seller that is like selling in India is like the reviews on the seller's page, Amazon page, were like so bad that I didn't want to take the risk. Okay, so I just shifted the camera a little bit because the sun is like playing peekaboo with us. Yeah, so this was A Good Girl's Guide to Murder, and let me like talk about the books. If you're getting bored, you can go. Then act as my table. Hold the books. ऐसा नहीं पकड़ने का. गिरा है ना तो फिर गिरा. मर्डर नहीं. बुक से प्यारी है तू. लेकिन wait. Better. So much better. Yeah. So the first book we have here is called Heart Tantrums, and incidentally, like I ordered this book because of the cover. Like the cover is so pretty, and I ordered this for rupees 161 only, and they specifically mentioned that it was a paperback, but it came as a hardcover with like a dust jacket and all. Like I was like, oh my god, I screamed, I scrumped, whatever. Okay, so this is the hardcover, and this is how the book is. Just a second. So you saw, like, it is a very floppy book, and it is a memoir of Aisha Sarwari herself, and she is like, I don't know if immigrant is the right word. So this is a memoir of her life, and you know how she moved from East Africa to Pakistan, after her marriage or for her marriage or something on those lines, but it is like a thick book. So I don't know like how long it will take me, because I haven't read memoirs at all. Like this is my first memoir that I have picked for a TBR video. So memoir is basically sharing one's life story, I think, and like remembering things. I am not sure if that is like the correct meaning. Stop shaking, moving, disturbing my video. एक जगह पे बैठने को कभी नहीं होता है ना, like कुछ भी बोलो हंसते हैं. Okay, so the first book is Heart Tantrums by Aisha Sarwari. Next we have Lessons in Chemistry, and it is a special edition author signed copy with blue edges and all. And if you have seen my book haul video, you guys already know about this book. If you haven't, I will share the link in the description box below. That being said, Lessons in Chemistry is I don't remember the genre. I think it is literary fiction, but chemist Elizabeth Zott is not your average woman. In fact, Elizabeth Zott would be the first to point out that there is no such thing, but it's the early 1960s, and all male team at Hastings Research Institute take a very unscientific view of equality. Forced to resign, she reluctantly signs on as the host of a cooking show, Supper at 6. But her revolutionary approach to cooking, fueled by scientific and rational commentary, grabs the attention of a nation, and soon a legion of overlooked housewives find themselves daring to change the status quo. It is called status, one molecule at a time. So like, this obviously was my pick for the month of March, but I did not read it because I was too overwhelmed. Okay, I actually read like 4 books that like shook me to my core. Like those were like the unhinged books, and that is why I was like too overwhelmed. So I didn't pick it in March, but by the like blurb, I know like this is going to be one inspiring story. As a woman, I am like super excited to read this one. So Lessons in Chemistry by Bonnie Garmis. The third book is Circe by Madeline Miller. So I have read The Song of Achilles by Madeline Miller, and I have heard that this book is like better than The Song of Achilles, and obviously this is also I think based on Greek mythology. I'm not too sure what this is about, but I absolutely adore the cover, and it's been lying on my shelf like for a while now. So Circe it is, in the house of Helios, god of sun and mightiest. Yeah, this is completely based on like Greek mythology. So we'll read this together. Then we have one of the best books that I have gotten my hands on. Like, can you see? This is the UK edition of Babel. Like the cover, it was no one peeing, like pani aa raha hoga. Like there is a massive like water crisis going on in our society. And yeah, coming back to the book, so Babel by R.F. Kong is basically a dark academia book, and it follows the journey of this one guy. I don't remember his name. Wait, Robin Swift. So it is basically about something translation, I think so. And yeah, this cover is like so freaking gorgeous. The original cover that is available in India is like all black, and this silver thing is like going on that cover also. But this grey cover like looks absolutely like stunning. Like I absolutely loved it. Like I had a choice of buying this or the black one, but this one was available for sasta, and it looks so freaking like very 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 good, like much better than the black one. So yeah, Babel it is. Then we have a classic. It is called Northanger Abbey, Northanger or Northanger. I think it's Northanger Abbey by Jane Austen. And I did pick up Sense and Sensibility in the last month, and I am like almost like 60% through that book. I'm like taking my time. Okay, it is not like that difficult, but it's just that I listen to the book while reading, so it takes a lot of time for me to sit down with my laptop or my phone, and I generally like read at night, so sitting down is a big issue for me. But from what I know, this is again a dark academia book, if I'm not like wrong. But like I think it is specifically, I remember like this is like the one of the best books by her, because it is like the themes are like genre is like gothic, okay. And I haven't like read a gothic book. I don't know if it is a romance book, but I did, read that this is a gothic book, like the genre is gothic. So we'll see Northanger Abbey by Jane Austen. And I don't know why she picked up beach read, but I'm glad that she did, because anyways I wanted to like finish this book. I did pick this book up on my Kindle, and I was like not more than one or two chapters in, and I knew, like I instantly knew that I need to freaking buy a copy of this book. So I hate the cover, by the way, like so hideous. बट क्या कर सकते हैं, इंडिया में यही अवेलेबल है. सो बीच रीड बाय एमिली हेनरी. आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट द ट्रोप्स. व्हेन आई रीड द बुक आई विल ऑब्वियसली मेक अ व्लॉग. दैट टाइम आई टॉक अबाउट दिस बुक, बट इट इज़ अ रोमांस बुक फॉर श्योर. एंड so talking about perfume, so I actually saw a reel, I think so, and I absolutely loved this cover. And then because I was like sure that I wanted to do like this crime mystery thriller for the month of July, I actually ordered this book. And it is the story of a murderer, okay. Perfume is a story of a murderer, and I think it is set in, I think, 19th or 18th century. Wait, yeah, in 18th century France, there lived a man who was the most gifted and abominable personages in the era.
माझी चेहरा टकली है.
अरे पण टेल मी ना. क्या अनोइंग है यार तू. Okay, whatever that word is, personages in an era that knew no lack of gifted, again abominable personages, okay, whatever. Jean Baptiste Grenoble. Okay, Jean, we'll go with the first name. Jean, born in a Parisian slum and abandoned on the streets, discovers he has, okay, Jean is Jean, right? Like jeans pant Jean. I don't know how the name is pronounced. Like I am like using my common sense. जियान क्या धोबिता है क्या इधर? Okay. Jean, born in a Parisian slum, abandoned on the streets, discovers he has an extraordinary, near superhuman sense of smell. Oh, perfume. That is why perfume. As he sniffs his way across France, this gift is exploited by the character to make the world's most marvelous perfumes. Yet, in seeking perfection in his experiments, he realizes that a vital ingredient is missing for the perfect scent: innocence. And in order to get the ingredient he must capture it whatever the price. Like, Ira, I need you to like go for some while, please. I need to talk about this book. Like, this book is like, no, not in this room. I don't need you in this room. दरवाजा लगाओ, जाओ. 1 minute. Okay, what I feel is, wait, like suddenly the sun has come and I am like now whitewashed. Yeah, now I'm like brown washed. Okay, so like the ingredient, and because it is like written the story of a murderer, and there are a lot of women on the covers, I somewhere feel like this is going to be like the most scary thing that I have ever read. Like, the most unhinged thing that I have ever read is what I feel like. Somewhere I feel like the missing ingredient is human beings, but only women are on the cover. So maybe this guy is like a crazy cuckoo guy who is like murdering women. इधर तक मेरी उल्टी आ रही है, like I'm not even kidding, okay. Okay, so these are the books. These are the 6 books that Ira has selected for me, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 books that Ira has selected for me. And somewhere I am like, okay. It's like I'm not sad. I'm not like happy. It is like a decent TBR. And like there are how many books that I wanted to read already? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. There are 4 books on my TBR that, wait, I'll sit here so that you can see the book. So there are 4 books: Perfume, Northanger Abbey, Babel, and Heart Tantrums, that I already wanted to read for this month. So I think it is like a decent kind of TBR. Okay. So yeah, thank you Ira very much for coming on my channel and like helping me choose or pick my TBR.
You're welcome.
You can like talk from there only.
I chose the book Beach Read because you don't like the cover.
अब तुम समझ सकते हो किस दुख दर्द पीड़ा से गुजरती हूँ मैं रोज, every single day. Like I am the youngest child, okay? I'm the youngest in the family, like in our house. And my brother was like, he was not kind at all. Like he has bullied me and he has done all the things that elder brothers do because he was like 8 years elder to me. And now after like him, she's like, शर्म कर शर्म, देख मत ऐसे. She's like playing the role. She's bullying me. She's like annoying me. And I sometimes feel like slapping her, but I don't.
Lipstick.
When she was younger, she used to like come to me, Mama, give me kisses, and now she's like wiping it up.
Lipstick.
अबे लिपस्टिक नहीं है.
Whatever it is.
Okay, she's Ira, and yeah, just a kind request, okay? I know that you guys are like my subscribers, and you know I owe you guys a lot, but please don't ask personal questions, please. Questions like, okay, how old am I, or how old she is. Like she has already told her age, and like how old was I when I was a mother, and all of that jazz, just to like put it out there. I am a single mother, and yeah, that is all I want to like share with you guys. Apart from that, anything apart from that, whenever I feel comfortable I will share, but please refrain. This is like a book video, so please talk about books, comment about books, but not my personal life. Yeah, that is my humble request. That being said, thank you for watching till here.
Tell to please watch my video.
Please watch my video, please watch Ira's video as well. Like I'm gonna pick her TBR, and now I'm going to take like full बदला. जितना भी भड़ास है ना मेरा, सब निकालने वाली. ऐसे books I will pick. She is like, I will read 10 books. I am going to pick books कि वो
15.
नहीं, तू 10 पढ़ के दिखा दे. पढ़ाई भी करनी है तेरे को बेटा, तेरा एग्जाम आएगा या नहीं आएगा, लेकिन तू इतनी लेजी है ना कि तू वो बुक पढ़ेगी लेकिन तू पढ़ाई नहीं करेगी, है ना. Today, like literally today, we had like a small one-on-one session with her teacher. Like it was kind of a PTM, and the ma'am, like her teacher was like asking me, and I did her tarif, which I like now want to like take back, है ना.
Yes.
Like the first chance she gets, she's like, कैसे मैं पढ़ाई से बाहर निकलूँ, and I do.
It's a book video.
No, it's a mom rant video. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for watching our video.
Bye.
सब्सक्राइब करने को बोल. सब्सक्राइब करो प्लीज, इतनी मेहनत लगती है, ऐसे लोगों को झेलना पड़ता है, और फिर इनके चूज किए हुए बुक्स भी पढ़ने पड़ते हैं.
सब्सक्राइब.
शी इज लाइक such a सस्ती भाड़े की एक्टर. लाइक एक वर्ड बोलेगी, लाइक शी इज लाइक सब्सक्राइब. आई हैव नॉट पेड हर, बट आई डू इंटेंड टू पे हर विद बुक्स next month. Oh god, I'll eat you. Subscribe. I will also ruin your video. I will come on your channel, I will say one word: this book, that book, this book, that book. Subscribe. Okay. Finally, okay. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a
Thumbs up.
and do let us know in the comments below, did you enjoy, or do you have any like recommendations or any like more ideas about the videos that I can do with this character. शी इज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वन. प्यार से बोल रही हूँ. शी इज़ लाइक द मेन कैरेक्टर हियर. ओके, मतलब हिंदी में जब हम कैरेक्टर बोलते तो इंसल्टिंग बोलते, मैंने हिंदी में ही बोला, बट स्टिल. इधर आ. डोंट डू दैट. ओके, नाउ वी आर लाइक, अभी वो फुल मस्ती में आई है और मैं भी मस्ती में आई हूँ. सो विल लाइक सी यू गाइज टुमारो.
Bye.
वाई टुमारो? इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. चलो बाय बाय, जाओ तुम अब.